determine or find the equation that represent the following arithmetic sequences. So I need to find the equation. So the first thing that I remember is that I know what is the general equation. They don't ask for the recursive, they want to know the equation. So I assume, I don't have to, that it is Tn equals T1 plus n minus 1 times d. So that needs your first thing that you have to remember. To find the equation, Tn and n will be a general equation, so what I need to find is T1 and d for each one of these to write it down. So for the first one, I can start off by saying that term 1 equals 3, the first term, and I need to find d. Now because they said that this is arithmetic, I can use any two consecutive values. And I think the simple d equals t2 minus t1, which equals 6 take away 3, and that value is 3. Just to show you, if I used 3 and 2, 9 take away 6 is also 3, 12 take away 9 is also 3. So you can use any values here, you'll still get to the same answer. So what's my equation? I have t1, I have d, so my equation will be tn. My general equation will be Tn equals term 1, which is 3, plus n minus 1 stays the same because we don't know what n is, and d equals 3. So my general equation will look like this. I will now substitute this 3. I'm going to multiply this 3 back in here, and I'm going to say 3 plus 3 times n is 3n. 3 times 1 is negative 3. 3 negative 3 is 0, so I'm remaining with 3n. So the equation for Tn is 3n. If you want to go and make sure that you're right, you can substitute any value in here and see if you find the value. So let's quickly look at what if I had T5, just to check. So this is just to check. You don't have to do this, just so that you know in the exam that you're doing the right thing. So just T5, I don't know what that is. T5, so T5 equals 3 times 5, and 3 times 5 is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Term 5 is 15. So that check is just to help yourself. Same thing here. First thing that I need to know is I need to write down what is T1. T1 is 40. I need to find D. I can use any value. I'm just going to go T2 minus T1. That's going to be 33 take away 40. 33 take away 40 is negative 7. I have my equation, so I'm going to substitute these two values into my equation there. Tn equals T1, which is 40. I've calculated it there, it's 40. Plus n minus 1 stays n minus 1, and d is now negative 7. See how I use my bracket? Otherwise it looks like take away 7. This negative 7 needs to be distributed into each one of those equations. That is 40 plus negative 7 times n is negative 7n. Negative 1 times negative 7 equals plus 7. Collect like terms. 40 plus 7 is 47. Take away 7n. If you want to do a check, you can check any value. So let's go and check term 3. So term 3 equals, I don't know why is that an uppercase T. T3 equals 47 minus 7 times 3. 47 take away, 7 times 3 is 21. 47 take away 21 is 26. I know that my answer is correct. I will now quickly show you on the next video how to do this by using your graphics calculator.